everybody.
Hi everybody.
Welcome back. So we want to give you an update. We built a homemade incubator out of a styrofoam cooler. Didn't really think it was going to work. Didn't know it was going to work. Watched a couple YouTube videos.
Had a little bit of issues.
Yeah, had some issues. Had to figure out. It took about a day to figure out how to get the temperature just right with the dimmer switch on the bulb. Had to play around with
Humidity.
About how to get the humidity right. That took about another 2 days. So after about 2 days of playing with this thing, having the eggs in there, turning them every day, quail eggs. Lo and behold, yesterday out of nowhere, we had 3 quail hatch that were all eggs from the same day, and we got more in line. We wanted to show you guys not only the homemade incubator that we did, but also some video of the actual hatching and stuff. If you can see behind us here, I'm not sure if you can see behind us, but right there, that's the main quail hutch out there. That's where we keep all the quail. So we're really going to give our hand a shot at quail here. And
we like the natural look on the quail, so they can have kind of like a natural habitat. Yes. They don't have just the grate. They have, flowers. We give them all kinds of fruits every single day. A
bathing
leaves.
area, yeah. So we basically try and keep them happy. We've been getting a lot of eggs because of that, I feel, along with their food. We've been playing around with their food, but we'll get into that in another time. But just wanted to thank you guys for watching us, supporting us, and like I said, we just wanted to give you an update on how this DIY incubator turned out, and hope you guys enjoy the video, and stay tuned.
Yeah, we're very happy with it. We were very surprised that it actually even worked out.
Yeah, so stay tuned. We'll have a lot more videos coming up for you.
Yes.
Have a great one, everybody.
Bye.
So here's the homemade incubator that we built. As you can see, it's just a styrofoam cooler. Put a light up in here. That's an incandescent light bulb. Temperature, humidity reader back here, and a dimmer switch so I can control how much light. Sponges with vents for humidity. And today, if you can see right back there, we got our first hatch, our first quail. So this incubator does work. This homemade little incubator does work. So what I did is I took this styrofoam cooler right here in the front, I cut a hole in here, and I put a piece of glass from a picture frame that I had hanging on the wall. So put a piece of glass with a picture frame so I can see in there, put duct tape, nothing special, a cup with water in it, incandescent light bulb up here, temperature, humidity reader. You can see right now the temperature is 99.5 at 61% humidity. And there's our first hatch that literally just happened no more than a couple minutes ago. That's it. So homemade incubator, it does work.
Here is our little makeshift brooder box. It has an old fan top and a little tub. It used to be a little laundry tub, but we can lift it up right here. Look in. There's the 3 little baby quails that we hatched. Little thermometer. The humidity isn't working on this one, but we've got the 3 little quail. They're doing great. They've got plenty of area to jump around, eat, water, tubes, and a couple of little sticks so they can climb on. They play around right now. They're just kind of hanging out. But they've been doing really well in here.